How to create a playlist on Spotify easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a playlist on Spotify in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Spotify. Now go here to down, click on your library right here. And after you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do, go to the top right here and click on the plus button. And now choose the name of your playlist. For example, I'm gonna make it relax. Let's say name it relax, and now click create and wait a few seconds, and here is my relax playlist, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.